Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mohd Akmal bin Mohd Shaifullizan and I am a bachelor student from Faculty of Electronic and Computer Engineering, University Technical Malaysia Melaka. In the past few years, machine learning had been innovated to develop a complex model of image classification where it's based on the characteristic of the image data. That is what we call deep learning. Deep learning usually been associated with a big computer, where it's a computer with fast CPUs and GPUs. However, it will consume a lot of electrical power and it's very costly to build a high performance deep learning or machine learning workstation. To overcome this issue, TensorFlow Lite had been introduced to execute deep learning model on microcontroller board. The question is, how about the performance of this low-cost workstation? So, we made this project to analyze and evaluate the performance of STM32 microcontroller board when running deep learning model where is image classification.
With only 3 steps, deep learning can be executed on microcontroller board. First, we train the deep learning model. We train our model using teachable machine. For this project, we make 10 categories of classification with 100 images each categories and train this model with 100 epochs and 60 batch size. After that, we get this model using TensorFlow Lite. The second step is convert the model to C code or any code that can be read on microcontroller. For STM32 microcontroller board, we can use STM32 Cube AI and FKEKK Fusion Pack to convert this model to C code. And the last step, we execute the code on microcontroller. In this step, microcontroller will read the code and start to operate. For our project, we use STM32H7471 disco board and we attach it with Bcam OMV camera. So, let's see the analysis of this deep learning model.
So for this project, we use STM32 7471 disco board, where is this microcontroller board from ST, and we attach Bcam OMV for camera for this board. Okay, let's demonstrate the project. For this project, we just only use 5 volt for power supply for this microcontroller board. So let's turn on the board. So let's see how accuracy that this board can detect for this con and this electronic board where is Arduino Uno.
In this analysis, we test with two types of object. The first one is electronic equipment object with box or rectangular shape, and other one is natural object with oval or round shapes. The accuracy of these two type of object is very high. The detailed result of this analysis is shown in this table. So based on our analysis from this microcontroller board, we successfully to classify the image that we had trained with the minimum value 52% accuracy and 100% accuracy is the highest value. The FPS of the screen is 1.7 and inference is 577 ms. The best position for camera is around 4 inch and 8 inch, and the highest value resolution of sample picture will give a better result. So, with the deep learning that can be run or executed on microcontroller, it will reduce cost to build deep learning workstation and also it will minimize the usage of electricity because microcontroller board only use 5 volt to turn it on and get a good performance to run deep learning. However, because of memory space for microcontroller are lower than microprocessor, so that there will be a limit to space to run a big scale of deep learning. To resolve this issue, the use of external memory SD card are needed. That's all for this experiment. Thank you for listening and watching.